Shiba Inu Coin went on a significant rally, and then over the last couple of days, as you can see, it is heavily pulled back. Now, the good news and the bad news are that, well, we're pulling back, right? That's bad news. The good news is we're maintaining this ascending trend line. You can see that we had an exponential takeoff from this level around, what day was this? This September 25th. We excelled greatly, and then, of course, we're pulling back to this level right now, using it as support. Now, the fact that we're using this as support is still a very bullish sign, but the price stagnation over the last couple of days is due to the fact that, well, less people are interested in Shiba Inu Coin. As you can see, we've gone from 9 trillion SHIB to only 5 trillion SHIB. Here's what's happening. We're going to be going over it in this video, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we are moving from 9 trillion Shiba Inu Coin down to 5 trillion Shiba Inu Coin. And spoiler alert, you probably already figured it out, it is the transaction volume. Now, we're going to go over this article, and then, of course, we're going to be touching on a couple other things in this video. But first, let's understand what's happening with Shiba Inu Coin. Because the price is still bullish, despite the fact that we're pulling back. We're still well above levels at 1,000 points per coin. We're still well above levels at that 1290 point per coin that we've been using as support for the last couple of months here. Sitting at 1,600 points per coin it's nothing to write home about. And especially after we were touching 2,100 points per coin last week, the, I guess, fade in the price of Shiba Inu Coin is causing a lot of people to lose their enthusiasm. And of course, you can see that, right? I love how when we talk about sentiment and stuff, it's very difficult to feel the market. But when you can quantify the market and when you can quantify sentiment, you can see that right now people are afraid. And it's reflected perfectly in the price action. So it says the last days saw significant change in the on-chain dynamics for Shiba Inu Coin, as seen by the drop in large transaction volumes from 9 trillion SHIB to just 5 trillion SHIB. As whale activity has historically driven some of the biggest price swings, this decline points to a retreat in whale activity. Now, that is not a good sign. Guys, Shiba Inu Coin is heavily dominated by whales. And of course, when they buy in, the price moves higher. When they sell off, the price moves lower. So unless we have some sort of a retail FOMO event, unless we have some sort of a, period of time where retail investors are surging into the market like we did in 2021 and like we did in 2017, we unfortunately have to rely on whales to dictate the price action for Shiba Inu Coin and other cryptocurrency. It says, despite the recent decline in whale activity, SHIB continues to show resilience in terms of its on-chain performance. At 73%, the concentration of large holders is still high, suggesting that whales are still holding sizable positions of the supply. 73% large holders. Think about that. And I don't know if they're defining large holders in this article here as people who hold over 100,000 Shiba Inu Coin. That's how they define large holders when they're talking about transactions. So I would imagine it's going to stay consistent there. 73% of all Shiba Inu Coin holders hold over $100,000. It is a very heavily whale concentrated coin. Furthermore, mixed mood among investors is indicated by the fact that 46% of holders are currently out of the money, while 49% of holders are currently profitable at the current price, which is still a very good sign. Guys, this is the level that we needed to break up above. This 1,500 point per coin mark, indicating where basically half of the investors are going to be profitable, was the level of resistance that we needed to break up above just a couple of weeks ago. Now it is a level of support. So hopefully it does hold up as support as well. Clearly, we're going to be dictated by the overall trend of the market. Bitcoin, always leads in terms of dominance. If Bitcoin's falling, Shiba Inu Coin is likely going to be falling as well. But we're also going to be led by emotion. Because right now, the fear in the market, any little downturn will likely cause a bigger downturn. But the good news is, because investors are so emotional, any little upswing should cause a large upswing. The emotion that takes place, in volatile times like we're seeing right now, is always elevated. Now, it goes on to say that SHIB is currently trading near the 1,600 point per coin mark, and according to a price chart analysis, potential support is expected to form in the 50-period exponential moving average, or 1578. Now, if this level holds, SHIB could stabilize and possibly attempt a recovery. Nonetheless, additional downward pressure may result if the support level breaks. Absolutely. And Shiba Inu Coin is really going to follow Bitcoin. Bitcoin's major level of support right now is around $60,000, and Bitcoin has been holding the $60,000 line all day today. And guys, I do want to show you two things before this video is over here. Number one, I started to use the KSX exchange. I've been doing a lot of decentralized trading lately, and I wanted to check out and see what kind of centralized exchanges they have. And this is by far one of the best ones that I have ever seen in terms of meme coins available. Now, you guys probably know, I've said it plenty of times, that I used to like KuCoin, but of course you can't use KuCoin in the United States anymore. KSX has a 370 USDT deposit bonus. So even if you guys are just looking to make some money on the deposit bonus right there, go out, use the link that's in the description in the pinned comment, and check out KSX Exchange and take advantage of that deposit bonus. But this is why I like them so much. If you come over here to the markets, you can obviously search by all of these different subsectors, but the meme coin subsector. You've got Mudeng, brand new token that has literally helped a trader turn $800 into $7.5 million. And it's probably even higher than that by now. Because, of course, Mudeng is up on the day today, despite the overall market volatility and despite the overall market pullback. But as you scroll through, you can see all of these meme coins that are available. But check this out. They're available on futures trading as well. You can go out there and you can leverage trade. So if you're looking to buy Grok or Suncat, Mother. Guys, this one I am very excited about. I own a lot of Mother token and I own a lot of Daddy token. Both Andrew Tate's token and Iggy Azalea's token have been doing very well over the last month. And I didn't know that you could trade them on KSX Exchange until a couple of days ago. But you can also trade, check this volume out, $1.55 million in volume on futures for Mother token. So if you guys are looking for a centralized exchange where you have access to all of the hottest meme coins, make sure to check that link out in the description. And Pepe Unchained. If you guys are looking for brand new tokens that have yet to launch, $17.2 million in inflows just in the last couple of months. No other pre-sale is doing this right now. Pepe Unchained is taking advantage of the fact that, well, they're building for memes. A lot of people, they get upset. They come into my live stream quite often, and they're like, dude, do you really think that meme coins are here to stay? Do you really think that meme coins are special? Do you really think that meme... Dude, without meme coins, the Ethereum network would not be what it is. Without meme coins, Solana would be nowhere near what it is. And Tron, who would even know about Tron if they didn't start pumping Sun Pump meme coins just a couple of weeks ago? Yes, meme coins are here to stay, and they're here to rule the upcoming bull market. I want to know what you guys think about it down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.